Number 1. 1931 Ford 5-window coupe. Step into timeless American hot rod excellence with this stunning 1931 Ford 5-window coupe, offered at $40,000 and located in Morris County, New Jersey, USA. This is not just a classic car. This is a professionally built, steel-bodied hot rod that combines vintage character with modern performance and reliability. Featuring an original Ford steel body, this coupe delivers authentic 1930s style with the benefits of high-quality custom engineering throughout. Powering this beauty is a legendary 270 Red Ram Hemi engine, known for its raw torque, unmistakable sound, and classic muscle heritage. The engine is paired with a Dodge Dakota 4-speed transmission with overdrive, giving you smooth shifting, strong acceleration, and comfortable highway cruising. Fuel delivery is handled by a performance Edelbrock carburetor, while cooling is managed by a high-efficiency aluminum radiator, ensuring reliable operation even on long drives. The exhaust flows through ceramic-coated headers, enhancing performance while keeping engine bay temperatures under control. Underneath, this coupe sits on a custom TCI frame, built for strength, stability, and modern road manners. The suspension setup includes independent coilover front suspension and coilover rear suspension, delivering excellent ride quality and confident handling. Power is sent to a rugged Ford 9-inch rear end, a proven favorite among performance enthusiasts. Stopping power comes from front disc brakes, providing modern braking performance for added safety and confidence behind the wheel. Inside, the car features an Idiot chrome tilt steering column, blending classic looks with modern comfort and adjustability. The interior and driving position feel refined while maintaining the soul of a true hot rod. The exterior is custom painted to match the trailer, creating a cohesive, high-end presentation that truly sets this build apart. This car shows exceptionally well and draws attention everywhere it goes. Combined with many additional upgrades and extras, this coupe represents a turnkey hot rod that's ready to enjoy immediately. Whether you're a serious collector, hot rod enthusiast, or someone looking for a show-quality classic with real driving capability, this 1931 Ford 5-window coupe offers outstanding craftsmanship, iconic styling, and proven performance. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Serious inquiries only. Contact now to own a true American hot rod classic. Number 2. This 1954 Ford Mainline Coupe, currently listed at $25,500, is located in La Porte, Texas. It represents one of the finest examples of a well-restored mid-century Ford, offering both classic charm and thoughtful upgrades that make it a true pleasure to drive and show. If you're a collector, enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the timeless lines of American automotive design, this car deserves a close look. The Ford Mainline was originally designed as an affordable, practical car for post-war America, and this coupe captures that spirit perfectly. Under the hood, this particular mainline is equipped with a built 6-cylinder engine mated to a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive, delivering a smooth, responsive driving experience while maintaining the character of a 1950s classic. For purists or collectors, the original engine is included as well, offering the opportunity to return the car to factory specification. Additional modern enhancements include an electric fan for improved cooling, a 1-wire alternator for simplified electrical performance, and 2-speed electric wipers, combining convenience with functionality without compromising the car's vintage feel. Aesthetically, this 1954 Ford Mainline Coupe has been restored with remarkable attention to detail. The exterior shines in newly applied black paint, showcasing clean and iconic body lines. All glass has been updated with new tinted side windows and a new windshield, while the original rear window has been preserved to ensure proper fit and originality. All glass seals and rubber components have been replaced. The exterior lighting system has been mostly converted to LEDs, providing brighter, more reliable illumination for night driving, while the interior dome light remains original for authenticity. Inside, the original seat covers have been carefully preserved, with front and rear cushions recushioned for comfort and structure. The headliner, door panels, and carpeting are brand new, and the entire cabin has been soundproofed to reduce road noise and enhance the driving experience. Mechanically, the car has been thoughtfully upgraded while retaining its classic appeal. The electrical system has been converted to 12 volts, improving reliability and compatibility with modern components. These improvements ensure the car is not just a showpiece. It is fully capable of long drives, weekend cruising, or car show participation. In terms of ownership, this Ford mainline has had more than 3 owners, yet has been well cared for throughout its life. It is fully paid off, providing complete peace of mind with no liens or outstanding payments. With its rust-free body, restored interior, and updated mechanicals, the car is road-ready and investment-worthy. The seller is asking $25,500 and is open to reasonable offers. Additional photos or questions can be addressed via direct message. This 1954 Ford mainline coupe is more than just a car. It is a piece of post-war Americana and a testament to the craftsmanship of its era. Whether you seek a weekend cruiser, a showpiece, or a collectible, this mainline offers authenticity, performance, and timeless style.
Sorry about that. I didn't know that I had a time limit on this stuff. Here's your HO motor. Got air conditioning. A guy spent $20,000 on the paint alone, and then another 20. Or first he spent 20 on the.
Number 3. This 1951 Ford Custom, priced at $25,000, is located in Minola, Texas. For collectors and classic car enthusiasts, this vehicle represents not just a car, but a beautifully preserved and enhanced piece of automotive history. Under the hood, this 1951 Ford is powered by a 302 HO small block Ford engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission that delivers effortless performance. It also features air conditioning, making it comfortable even on hot Texas days, a rare and desirable addition for a classic of this era. With only 20,000 miles, this car has been sparingly driven and meticulously maintained. Visually, the Ford Custom is stunning, finished in a deep blue custom paint that gleams in the sunlight, complemented by a 3-inch chopped roof that gives the car a sleek and aggressive stance. The gray interior remains in pristine condition, preserving vintage character while offering comfort and usability. Every detail reflects quality craftsmanship, from the flawless paint and custom bodywork to the immaculate interior. The car comes with a clean Texas title, is fully paid off, and is offered for $25,000 cash. No trades or low offers are being considered, underscoring the rarity and value of this vehicle. This 1951 Ford Custom is more than transportation. It is a rolling statement of mid-century American design. Ideal for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a show-ready and road-ready classic, this car offers timeless style, strong performance, and undeniable presence. Number 4. This 1950 Ford Custom 2-door, priced at $19,500, is located in Fort Worth, Texas. It represents a rare opportunity to own a classic American automobile that looks stunning and drives beautifully. Under the hood is the iconic 239 cubic inch V8, paired with a manual transmission and overdrive, offering excellent drivability on both city streets and highways. While the speedometer reads slightly high, the driving experience remains enjoyable and confident. The overdrive allows for relaxed cruising, making it ideal for long trips. The exterior is finished in vibrant blue, complemented by a lowered stance that enhances both style and presence. Though not flawless, the car has been remarkably well cared for over its 75-year history. Included with the sale are additional parts such as custom shocks, trim pieces, seat upholstery, and mechanical components. Inside, the interior remains in excellent condition, maintaining its authentic 1950s feel. Upgrades include a Dennis Carpenter fuel tank, an auxiliary electric radiator fan, and a vintage custom auto sound system with AM/FM, AUX, CD, USB, and remote control. A custom car cover is also included. The car holds a clean Texas title, is fully paid off, and has no major issues to report. This 1950 Ford Custom 2-door is more than just a vehicle. It is an experience, a conversation starter, and a true piece of American automotive heritage. Number 5. This 1954 Chevrolet 210, priced at $22,500, is located in Baytown, Texas. What makes this car exceptionally rare is its Powerglide automatic transmission combined with only 30,000 original miles. An astonishing figure for a car of this age, the car runs and drives exceptionally well, reflecting careful ownership throughout its life. It is a 3-owner vehicle, with the second owner driving only about 4,000 miles from 1975 onward. The current owner acquired the car in 2020 at 29,860 miles. Preserving its remarkable condition, visually, the Chevy 210 retains its iconic 1954 design lines, showing originality rather than over-restoration. Its body and interior reflect careful preservation, with minimal wear due to low mileage. The car comes with a clean title, no trades accepted. This 1954 Chevrolet 210 is a true time capsule, a highly collectible example of mid-century American automotive engineering. For serious collectors seeking originality, rarity, and historical value, opportunities like this are extremely limited. Number 6. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price: $27,500. Location: Wayne, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe offers a classic hot rod silhouette at an accessible entry point for early Ford enthusiasts. Finished in black, the car presents as a clean, driver-quality build rather than an over-restored showpiece, making it appealing for someone who wants to enjoy the car on the road. While listing details are minimal, the seller notes that the car runs good, suggesting it is a functional turnkey cruiser rather than a stalled project. 3-window coupes remain among the most desirable pre-war Ford body styles thanks to their proportions, rarity, and strong resale appeal. At $27,500, this coupe is positioned competitively compared to many 1934 3-window examples that often trade well into the $30,000 to $40,000 range when sorted and drivable. Number 7. 1931 Ford Roadster. Price: $19,500. Location: Westboro, Pennsylvania. This 1931 Ford Roadster is a classic pre-war open-top cruiser presented in largely original form and described as being very well cared for. Finished in black with a brown interior, it retains the timeless Model A Roadster proportions that continue to attract collectors and casual enthusiasts alike. The seller notes the car runs well and has been driven, showing approximately 1,000 miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Roadster is aimed more at relaxed enjoyment than strict period correctness, making it approachable for buyers seeking vintage style without the learning curve of early manual controls. As a dealership listing, it is positioned as a turnkey driver rather than a project. At an asking price of $19,500, this Roadster represents an accessible entry point into early Ford ownership. Number 8. 1930 Ford Coupe. All steel. Chopped. Price: $42,000. Location: Lynch Station, Virginia. This 1930 Ford all-steel chopped coupe is a professionally built hot rod that blends traditional craftsmanship with unmistakable show-quality nostalgia. Sitting on a 1932 Ford chassis, it features a reliable 5.0L roller V8 paired with an automatic transmission and an 8 inches rear end, making it a strong, usable driver rather than a static display. Finished in striking blue metal flake paint, the car carries its retro theme throughout with matching metal flake accents in the trunk and interior. White leather seats and door panels provide a sharp contrast, while chrome reverse wheels wrapped in American classic widewall tires complete the period-correct look. With just 2,000 miles since completion and multiple show awards, including recognition at the 2020 World of Wheels, this coupe offers turnkey enjoyment with pedigree. Number 9. 1929 Ford 5-Window Coupe. All steel. Chopped. Price: $29,500. Location: Vernon, New Jersey. This 1929 Ford 5-Window Coupe is an all-steel hot rod with a strong traditional foundation and drivability upgrades already in place. Featuring a chopped top and classic Model A proportions, it delivers the aggressive stance enthusiasts seek while retaining original steel authenticity. Power comes from a 327 CI Chevrolet V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering strong street performance and highway-friendly cruising. Chassis upgrades include a 4-link Ford rear end, front disc brakes, and rack and pinion steering. The seller notes the car runs well and is actively drivable. Cosmetically, it is an ideal next stage project, with serviceable paint and an unfinished interior that allows for customization. Number 10. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe, Rumble Seat, Price, $16,900. Location, Elmer, New Jersey. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe represents an honest and affordable entry into pre-war American motoring. Finished in blue with a tan interior, this all-steel coupe features the desirable rumble seat and retains its original 201 CI four-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Restored more than 30 years ago, it still presents well today as a true driver rather than an over-restored showpiece. Minor paint imperfections are noted, consistent with an older restoration. Mechanical highlights include a functioning 6-volt electrical system and a recently installed starter. Priced at $16,900, it offers strong value for collectors seeking a usable traditional Ford. Number 11. 1941 Willys Coupe, 2-door, price, $27,000. Location, Manaville, New York. This 1941 Willys Coupe is a one-owner fiberglass project powered by a 454 Chevy engine and turbo 400 transmission. While the engine runs, the car requires brakes, fuel lines, and wiring. Offered at $27,000, it is best suited for a buyer ready to complete a unique hot rod build. Number 12. 1938 Chevrolet 2-door sedan, price, $17,900. Location, Madison, Virginia. This 1938 Chevrolet 2-door sedan is a well-maintained driver with a 350 small block engine and rebuilt 700R automatic transmission. Power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, and recent maintenance make it a reliable cruiser. Offered at $17,900, it combines classic styling with modern comfort. Number 13. 1933 Ford 3-window fiberglass coupe, price, $18,500. Location, Indiana, Pennsylvania. This 1933 Ford 3-window fiberglass coupe is finished in burgundy with an off-white interior. Powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission, it features upgraded suspension, rack and pinion steering, and a new frame. With 35,000 miles, 2 owners, and a paid-off title, it is offered at $18,500 as a solid project or restorable driver. Number 14. 1937 Dodge 5-window coupe, price, $19,500. Location, West Babylon, New York. This 1937 Dodge 5-window coupe finished in purple with an off-white interior blends classic styling with modern upgrades. Powered by a 454 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission, it features AC, heat, power steering, independent suspension, and 4-wheel disc brakes. While the seller notes it needs paint, it is offered at $19,500 as a solid driver or project with strong potential. Number 15. 1934 Ford 3-window coupe, price, $34,000. Location, Barboursville, West Virginia. This 1934 Ford 3-window coupe is a sleek Pro Street hot rod finished in black with a matching interior. With just 589 miles, it is powered by a 355 small block Chevy paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Featuring a chopped top and aggressive stance, it is offered at $34,000, with the seller open to trades.